What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do the water test of Samsung Galaxy A8 2K18. This is the latest model by Samsung in the mid-range of 2K18, and this proves to be IP68 rating, which means this is dust and waterproof for almost 1.5 meter of depth. So in this video I will be testing this device for the water test, and let's see how this device can handle the water. And I have the box, and I will put this device into the box right now, and I will pour the water onto this device. Let me first show you that this one is a real device. It is actually not a dummy, and you can see the device is turning on. And let me show you further, and you can see everything is just smooth and perfect on this device. This is 100% working device, and everything is just working on this device. And put this device back into this pot, and let's pour the water onto this device. And after that we will leave this device for a while and see how things go for this device. So let me just bring the water, and I am just pouring the water onto this device now, and I am going to make it half full almost, so make it dip into this pot. So you can see the device is now fully dip into the water. So it will be a test for IP68 rating, and you can see the device is fully dipped now into the water, and we will leave it for a while, almost for 20 to 30 minutes. And after that I will be giving you the results that how this device has handled everything. So let this go on and complete it with this one. I have already done the water test of Note 8. You can check that out on my channel. So this is my second water test, and it is also the IP68 as was the Note 8. So I expect it to be the same. So this device right now is doing great, and I will leave it for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and after that I will be giving you the values. And you can see now it has almost been 20 to 30 minutes in the water, and the device is still working. Actually the device is working, but the touch is not working underwater. Maybe it is due to the water that the touch is not working. Let me just leave this device into the water for almost more 10 to 20 minutes, and after that I will just bring the device out and test clean the device and test out all the things, if the device is working or not. So let this be here in the water for almost next 10 to 20 minutes. It's been a long time that the device is still in the water, so let me just check out the device. And uh, I think I should now bring the device out. It's been a long while that the device is in water, and you can see the water is coming out of the ports of the device. So it means that I have to clean the device. So I have the towel here, so let's clean this device first, and let me make it dry as dry it can be. So you can see I am just cleaning the device right now to make it dry, and you can see the touch is working. That's good to know. So let's move next and check out all other things if they are working or not. Usually the water is still coming out of the ports, and I am trying to make it as dry as possible, and I am using the towel to make it dry. It will actually take a little time to make it dry. So after that I will be testing the device completely, and you can see the water is still coming out of the ports. So let's check out the device and leave it as much water as inside is. So you can see that the fingerprint sensor is working. That's great to know. So let's move next, and let me go into the settings. Let us check the volume of the device, if the speakers are working or not. So let's go into the volume, and you can see the speakers are actually working. So that's great to know about this device, that it has not damaged the speakers. So that's very great to see. So everything I think is working on this device. There is no loss, and everything is just up to the mark. So that's it, guys. This was the water test of Samsung Galaxy A8 2K18, which is the IP68 rating, and this is actually one costly device, but it proves to be one very handy and one very beautiful device. And I have posted a lot of videos, and I will be posting many other videos of this device onto this channel, and you can check them out. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.